On this video guys, I'm gonna show you how to fix or solve TikTok not working in less than 1 minute. First thing, open the settings and then open the apps manager. When you open the apps on this page, you will find all the apps that you have on your phone. So all what you want to do is just go to the search bar here in the top and search for TikTok like this. Click on it and now it will take you to the app informations. Click on the internal storage or the storage. Click on clear data and delete all the data here. Click on clear cache, go back, click on the power usage details, and then go to the power consumption alert, disable it and enable it. Go down here, click on force stop, and then go back, click on the open by default option. Go to the open supported links in this app and choose always allow. Go back now to the settings of your phone, go to the wireless and networks, go to the airplane mode, enable it for 8 seconds and disable it. That's it. Don't forget to like, subscribe.